How are you today? Woo! Welcome to day 33. Yes, we're in day 33, y'all. We're walking it. We're trying to get on the grind. Hey, yes. What are you grinding for? That's what we came to ask today. What are you grinding for? What are you putting your best foot forward for? Who are you putting your best foot forward for? Well, I know I'm on the grind to walk these 10,000 steps a day, doing this walking challenge because I'm on the grind for myself first and most importantly, because you got to do it for yourself. It can't be to prove to nobody else. Well, if that's what motivates you, hey, have that as a tool. But for me, I can't do this for no one else. I've got to do it for me. That's number one. I'm also on the grind for my husband. Yes, I love him and I want to spend good years here. So I've got to get healthy. I've got to change my habits. I've got to eat healthier. I've got to exercise. So I'm on the grind, y'all, to make sure I get it right and tight. Yes, y'all, yes. Honey, working it. I'm working it. I'm working it. Hey. Yes. Who are you on the grind for? I know another person that I'm on the grind for. Hey, if you need motivation, one motivation is for your children. I saw a comment that my mom wrote, and she said that she wanted to be here for her grandkids so that she could live a long, healthy life and spend time with her grandkids. Hey, I said yes, 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 and we want to have her have that long life and spend that time with us so that we can fill her with so much love on a daily basis and just give her all the love we can. Yes, so whatever you're grinding for, I say grind on. Yes, we're grinding, y'all. We're grinding for health. We're grinding for strength and life in this present moment. We are grinding. Yes, we're trying to pull out these 10,000 steps, get healthy, feel healthy, get outside and stop being so sedentary. Look at all this beauty that's all around us. We can get out and enjoy this wonderful sunshine and beautiful atmosphere. Yes. That's our birthright, y'all. So, whatever you're grinding for, I say, grind on. Yes. And guess what? We done grind out. Hey, 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 hey. Them 10,000 steps right here. Yes. We got our 10,000 steps in, guys. You know I wish you great health. I wish you great wealth. And I want you to be surrounded, surrounded by love, y'all. All right, come on, let's get motivated. Come on, let's get on the grind. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. It's February 3rd, 6:48 p.m., and I walked 12,789 steps. Yes, 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 we're on the grind. All right, make sure you subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.